Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change the default email notification sound on Windows 10. Type Control Panel. Click Control Panel. Click Sound. Click Sounds tab. Select New Mail Notification. Change any sounds. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.